Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services ngayong November. So kung interested kayo, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Sag, let's see what's coming to you ngayong December 2024 para sa mga Sagittarius. Okay, Juno. Uy, partnership. This can be a romantic partnership, pwedeng business partnership, or connecting with someone for a project. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, in love or in love kayo if you are already in a relationship. Magiging focus yan ng December para sa inyo. Yung inyong connection with someone. You also have the 4th house. Yung iba, maaring you will settle with someone. Parang you will live with someone. Move in with someone. So, example, magjowa kayo, tapos you feel like you want to spend your time, most of your time with your person, so pwedeng magsasama na kayo sa isang bahay. Or yung iba naman, pwedeng mag-aasawa talaga, no? May marriage, may partnership dito. You also have the Sun, which is about your happiness. This is also your strength, no? So, you have a lot of energy ngayong December to do the task that you need to do, especially kung ito yung may kinalaman sa home improvement. Halimbawa, meron kang pinapa-renovate sa bahay nyo, meron kang mga projects sa bahay, or this is also your strength, your confidence, no? To connect with other people, especially with yung mga important partnerships mo sa buhay. Okay, so let's see what else. Sagittarius, December 2024. Okay. Oh, wow. 6 of Wands. This is triumph, tagumpay, victory, glory. Wow. So, you're going to be celebrated ngayong December. Syempre kasi first half ng December, Sagittarius season yan, 'di ba? Oo, so may recognition sa inyo. If you are working or if you are meron kang certain following, may mga nakasubscribe sa iyo, may mga taong nanonood sa iyo. If you are into social media, nasa public eye ka, so you will be celebrated by a lot of people. You will gain a lot of attention. So kung ikaw ay content creator, may mga videos ka na magbo-viral, you will be recognized. Sa work naman, maaring ngayong December may award ka na marireceive sa work. You also have the 8 of Wands. Going to be very busy. December is going to be very busy para sa'yo, especially in travel. Pwedeng you will be going to a lot of places, no? Mas maraming places kaysa sa nung mga nakaraang buwan. Oo, you will be traveling a lot. There's also good news coming in. So, yung iba sa inyo, ito yung hinihintay nyo na promotion. Ito yung hinihintay yung opportunity na darating sa inyo. Oo. You also have the King of Cups, which is intuition. So, very empathetic kayo, very charismatic. I think kaya rin maraming attention sa inyo ngayon kasi you are also confident sa sarili mo. Meron kang mga in-improve sa sarili mo, whether this is physical, this is mental, intellectual. So, kumbaga, you are taking care of yourself. And syempre, mas nakikita yan ng ibang tao on how you take care of yourself. That's why ikaw ay nagsha-shine. You have the Hanged Man. Nagkakaroon ka ng bagong perspective sa buhay. Mas nagiging malalim yung pananaw mo, ang pagtingin mo sa buhay. Hindi na lang siya about, money or about your career or fame. It's also about kung ano yung impact na ibibigay mo sa ibang tao. So, I feel like you're becoming more inspired na gumawa ng mga magagandang bagay para sa sarili mo, para sa iba, at dahil doon mas i-recognize ka nila. You also have the Fool, which is new beginnings for you. you may be taking some risk. Pwedeng meron kang bagong susubukan na opportunity na kumbaga parang tataya ka dyan no? Na sige na nga, gagawin ko na. So I think you've been thinking about this for quite a while, no? Let's say you want to start a business. Pinag-iisipan mo yung business na yan, gagawin mo ba siya? But I think ngayong December, finally, you will realize what to do. Makakapag-decide ka na and you will take that risk. Okay? Whatever this is, kung ano man itong mga plans mo pa sa iyong trabaho, business, career, or even sa relationship, no? Risk rin naman talaga ang relationship na papasukin natin kasi hindi natin alam kung magiging successful ba, saan mapatungo yung relationship na yan. But you are all here for fun, to enjoy, to experience, diba? So, tinan natin energy for your money, career, finances, for Sagittarius. You have the Tower. Merong ditong unexpected offer. Wow. So, pwede itong unexpected offer sa ibang lugar. Let's say, merong offer sa'yo sa ibang bansa na magtrabaho or ito yung hinihintay mo matagal na. Kasi you have this Three of Wands, which is about expansion, growth, and then the Ten of Cups is about happiness, fulfillment. Okay, tapos Son of Cups is like an offer for you and the Tower is like unexpected, no? Oo. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron ding unexpected na paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng department, no, ng position mo sa work. I think, kaya rin meron ditong tagumpay or success for you dahil na rin to sa mga efforts na binigay mo, no, sa career mo, sa business mo, ano man tong sources of income mo. And dahil doon, you are being blessed and of course, pati family mo rito will also be blessed. Yung iba rito, kung meron kang hinihintay na approval ng visa or if you are migrating kasama yung mga anak mo or family mo, meron kang pinipetisyon or ikaw yung pinipetisyon, so there are good news coming dito sa proseso na to. So maaring may approval na ng petition. So let's see your love life. You have the Mother of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. So when it comes to relationship, I think mas magiging mahigpit ka sa person mo. I feel like you want a very serious commitment na kung sa tingin mo hindi niya na ibibigay yung expectations mo, I think you will be open to this person para sabihin kung ano yung expectations mo sa kanya. Kasi minsan, kailangan talaga natin yung sabihin para matauhan sila. Oo. Kasi akala nila okay lang, 'di ba? Some of you are starting also a new relationship if you're single, no? And I think you are setting expectations to this person. With the Moon, this is about your instinct, your intuition. Alam mo kung kailangan mo nang mag-start ng relationship or alam mo kung itong person na to magandang intentions towards you. Okay? At kung alam mong you are connecting with someone na hindi maganda ang intentions towards you, unti-unti isi-separate mo yung sarili mo or iiwas ka sa connection mo sa taong to. If you're also in a relationship, I think parang magde-demand ka ng equality, no, with your person, kasi minsan parang lalo na kapag akala nung ating person or romantic partner ay okay lang tayo sa mga naibibigay nila or mga bagay na hindi nila naibibigay. Akala nila okay lang kasi hindi ka nagrereklamo. But I think ngayon you will be more open, no, in expressing what you feel about a certain connection. Okay? Let's see your final message. Oh, Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. Ayan. So, you are going to be proud of your achievements. Okay? It doesn't matter kung ano yung iba pang opinion Oo, opinion ng ibang tao sa inyo. Ang importante, you are proud of yourself in a good way, syempre. Dahil alam mong pinaghirapan mo yung success na meron ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Good luck.